Got it? Alright, give that to me. Oil it up nice, easy. 11 chicken, please. Hey, how are you, sir? You here to order or pick up an order? You here to order? I'll see you over there. Should I fight with this guy just for the fuck of it? Yo, you know how many clicks I'm gonna get? The fuck you want? Good day, good day. Sir, it's your first time here? Second time. So you know the drill? 3 restaurants. Mona's, Crazy Greek, Fusion, Greek and Trailer. Take your time, ring that bell, somebody will help you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Put a jacket on the Gyro. Z, the 2-stick rice. Let's talk that Kevin ticket. That's the one we're going for with force, right, Z? Because he's inside? Because he's inside, right? Because he's inside, right? I'm asking the same question. Yeah, we're going with this because he's inside, right? That's correct. But isn't this guy before or no? Yeah. That's a phone order though. No. But this person's inside, bro. But oh, it's pork. Okay. So this is where we are right now. We're at Kushak, 2 chicken sticks rice. Is that rice ready? The personal one.
Yeah, one of them is. The second one I was about to make.
Beautiful. Second we're about to make. So I need to know when we got 2 chicken sticks. That's what I'm shopping for. 2 chicken sticks. You're dropping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dark. Thank you. Open. Thank you. Mel, it has to be Mel. Thank you. It is gone. Hola tipo da, yeah, hola tipo da. Lovely, you ready? Awesome. I'll take that one from your hands. You take off with that order for the lady there. Thank you, sir. Straighten up Mona's, there's the man. Straighten up Mona's.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it here. Straighten up Mona's, trust me. I got it. I'm 3 dal pri 2 paratha. Madam, your total is exactly $15. Now, Jenny, here you'll see our website, foodmania.ca. You can visit our website and see all 3 of our restaurants there.
Connie here?
Yes, madam. Thank you. Jenny, very nice meeting you, madam. I'm going to hand you your receipt. Hold on to your receipt. In a few minutes, somebody is going to call your name at this window. And once again, please check out our website, foodmania.ca. You'll see all 3 of our restaurants at foodmania.ca. Thank you, Miss Jenny.